As many of you know, Outboundly has earned its reputation as the #1 tool for prospect research and hyper-personalized cold outreach. Our extension, built on machine learning and GPT-4, transforms how you communicate with prospects. The Enhanced Brainstorm feature is a game changer for prospect analysis. It deep dives into your prospect's website, social media profiles, or other online sources, and provides insights across various categories, and empowers you to choose which insights you'd like to incorporate into your outreach messages. These insights are categorized into 8 categories. Profile Summary. The profile summary is a concise snapshot of your prospect's digital persona. This might include their business focus, key projects, and general themes prevalent in their content. Challenges. Pain points. This insight category dives into inferred challenges and pain points that your prospect may be experiencing. It's like reading between the lines of their public online presence. Selling questions. The selling questions are generated based on your business information and the identified needs of the recipient. Selling phrases. These are quick, catchy phrases or one-liners designed to pique the interest of your prospects. These phrases are tailored based on the type of language and topics your prospect resonates with. Build rapport. In sales, relationships matter. That's why our AI generates rapport-building questions. These are general questions that allow you to connect with your prospect on a personal level. Remark ideas. Remark ideas are suggestions for appreciative comments based on the prospect's achievements and work history. Recent posts. Keeping up to date with your prospect's recent activities can give you a unique edge in your outreach. This feature summarizes the latest 10 posts from your prospect, offering you timely and relevant talking points. Personality, brand voice. The personality or brand voice insights give you an idea of the brand's character or the individual's personality traits. Based on their writing style, the roles they've held, and their online activities, the AI infers key aspects of their personality and brand voice. Once you've explored the detailed analysis across our 8 insight categories and selected the points most relevant to your outreach, you'll be ready to craft your personalized message. Our AI takes the information you've chosen and uses it to generate a compelling, bespoke outreach message. Whether incorporating a prospect's inferred pain points to highlight how your product can offer solutions, or using selling phrases that resonate with their communication style, every part of the message is tailored to your prospect. So there you have it. With Outboundly and our Enhanced Brainstorm feature, you can leverage AI to transform how you connect with your prospects.